Hello everybody, welcome on the channel. In this video we are going to install all we need to fulfill the requirements for the VAST.ai if you want to rent your machine on them. And I think there is a lot of things we need to do, but we will start with the homepage of the VAST.ai. You can see I'm logging actually in my account and I'm on the setup here. It is very important. Make your own account, follow all those informations they are written here. It needs to be, I don't know, individual, whatever you want, but they are saying like it should be separate account for the renting machine. Come to the setup and you can read it, what you need to fulfill. There is a lot of information and you will have some kind of questions because it's not done like it should be for, let me say, very easy way. And I am going to make it very easy for you. All you need from my side now, go on the install manager. When you have read everything, go to the install manager and there is going to be a link that we will need in the end. This link is active only 1 hour, and for that reload the page because there are some numbers that will actually change. Okay, so I think we have done last time. We have prepared the hard drive. You can see the hard drive. We did something and file system looks like this actually. And for the work on this video, I have prepared this file, this text file, and you can download it actually here. So please rewrite this link because the link is only in the video, it's not in the comment section below. So please rewrite it, download the file, and we can go step by step and install what we need. You see, I have opened my computer. It is the one that we will start with the installation. There is the net plan that you can or you can skip it. It is really up to you, but I prefer when the LAN card is actually linked in the Linux according to the MAC address. So for this one, you will need to open the second terminal. I think it is very clear. And just write here a simple command IP and argument A. It is simple computer, there is only one network card, and you see this is this broadcast blah 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 ENP12. That will be also shown in the Linux, but what you need, it is the MAC address and the machine address. It is on your LAN network. So I think this one is very simple. Those information we will fill here, MAC address here, address of the server we will put here, and here will be the gateway. So it is very simple. We start point 1. If you don't know where is the file, and but if you are installing the Ubuntu like I did, the 2404, just go here and make the ls. You will see what is actually the name of your file, where is the net plan, this net plan config. When it is, and you are trying to do with another Ubuntu or another system, it can be a little bit different, but we need to modify this file. It is next step. So just copy, paste here, enter the password, and we can go to edit. You see here this ENP12 S2, it was exactly this adapter. So when you have more of them, definitely just pick one that you will be using and use his MAC address and fill it inside. So next step is work on this file, just delete everything and very simply just copy everything from here ending by the matrix and to the network, make control copy and paste it here. Of course you need to fulfill the addresses and so on and so on. So I will go here, I will show you how I do that. It is very simple. So first we will copy the MAC address here. Wait. Yes. Control copy. We are here and we will go here up the MAC address. We will delete what we have here and just right button in the Windows, click and paste. That's it. Then you need to upgrade your IP address. So you have seen I have the simple one, like most of you maybe have it. There is nothing extra special, and the gateway is according to this one. So we will go down at the end and we will remove it, and we make 192.168.168.1.1. That's it. That's the gateway, and everything should be working. I am using in this terminal Control X, then Y, Y, yes, we would like to write it, and that's it. It's saved. If you would like to check it, if there is everything written again, you can have a look. It's there. Everything perfect. Control X, close. It was the first step, and the next one we need to do sudo netplan apply. So very simple, control copy paste, enter. This one was okay, there was no error, it is working. Okay, very important is in your home network is the router. You really need to apply the ports, and I think it is just now good time to have it ready. So I have prepared for you the picture of my router. I was doing it on the another computer. It was actually VAST.ai, and now we are doing the VAST.4a. You need the start point and the end point, and you need to pick both protocols, TCP and UDP. So please use both ports and start point, end point, start point, end point. Here, of course, if you have your private IP address, put it there also, and everything will be ready. So you see we are now working on this machine 215 ending, and that's it. I have opened actually 100 ports from 11,200 to 11,099. So that's it. Use it. This one you have to do at your own. I don't think so. You have exactly my router. If you have, you will see it. It is very similar. If you have different one, make it. So this one is the networking that needs to be done, and the next step is we can actually install the Nvidia driver. I am just telling you this one is only for the Nvidia. So please just follow step by step, control each line single. First we make the classic sudo apt update, and then we make the sudo apt upgrade. There should be everything simple. It is just doing from the Linux side. There is nothing special, but it needs to be done because we have new installation. I did actually yesterday 2 of them, and more will be coming because I will be uploading more computers to the VAST.ai for some kind of testing and renting. And here I have also yesterday, even today, found one small issue. I didn't install the Nvidia utils on the last server, and it's very important to be there. So we control copy, install Nvidia driver and version 590. It will install version 595 something. It will actually install the new one. I think it is not so bad. If you would like to specify your specific driver, do it here. It will be up to you, but definitely with 580, 590, it is working very well even with the CUDA toolkit installer. So I recommend even for the people who wants to rent your machine, I think it's good to have good new drivers, because you will be offering something like the old machines don't have it. So update is, I think, crucial, and we will actually make the new installation. So next step, when it is done, we will reboot. Actually, it is, I think, very important, because when it's like in the Windows, just please, after the main driver for the GPUs, always reboot the driver. So there is nothing extra special. We are here. Okay, so sudo reboot, and I will come to you just right now when the reboot is ready. Okay, the computer is ready, so we will log in. Maybe I have forgot, for those who doesn't have the experience with the PowerShell, just to log in to your computer, you just need to write this command. It means SSH and user and the address. So that's something you should also be available and think about if you do not know, but I think it is now very simple and you know. So you input your password and everything will be okay, and we are back in the game, and we will install this link, this command. We will install the Nvidia utils. So very simple. Again the password, and that's it. It was quite nice. Next thing, we will get to installation of the CUDA. So please copy this link, again enter, paste it, make the second link, that's it, and actually here just watch, it depends how big is your window. This link, paste it and enter. It will start download, it will take a while, depends how fast is your internet. Definitely, you see I am not the fastest one. Definitely it will make some kind of issue on my verification, it will go much slower. When you have gigabit, it is very nice, but I don't have it. Definitely the speed of your internet is very beneficial, let me say, criterium, which really helps you to, when you have the faster one, you are the better one, yeah. So and nobody is willing to wait, so maybe when you are slow as me, you need to go with the price a little bit down. So it is something you need to think of. I am really thinking about to maybe make a better connection, but it's not so easy. In my location, I'm really not on any close, let me say, fibers. That's really hard to get it. It needs to be over the radio and so on and so on. I think you have already read it, the instruction in the point 2. We will copy this link, this command, we will enter, and the result will actually end with another link, which is really crucial for us. The command is not now in the text file, it is here, and you need to copy, because this CUDA number will be changing, and that's why you need to use it from here. So very simply, just Ctrl copy paste it and enter, and that's it. So it was very easy. Now we go sudo apt and so on and so on. Ctrl copy, Ctrl paste, one line by another. We can put the next one inside and install. So now we are finally installing the CUDA, and in the next step we will need to little bit fix, let me say, the hard drive. We will need to modify the fstab file, which is the config, and for that we will use the command to see what we have the partitions, because it is actually somewhere here. I don't remember where was the step, if it was somewhere here. You see, this is the this command. Yeah, I have copied here, and you really need to replace it. It needs to be replaced with UUID because they want it. Okay, we will give them. So very simple command, and we will fix it. We go back to the manager. See, this one is okay, it's running, and as I told you, you can do it in 2 terminals or you can make it even in 1. I will show you how. First we need to fix the command. It will actually, the file edit itself, we will just make the information after. So please copy this one or this one, it really doesn't matter, but you will need to replace the UUID. So enter here, and everything that is just here you just need, you have to remove it up to here, and please check the one with the XFS type and copy. So use this one. Control copy, one more letter, control copy and paste it here. You see, and that's it, enter. It is there written. We will confirm it with another one. Now we go to the edit mode of the FS tab, enter, and you see we have it here. It is the new one that was actually added with this command, but we have here 2 times the same device, actually 1 time with the UUID and 1 time with this link for the varlib docker, and we need to this one remove. So you can remove it, or you can put the hashtag here and we hide it, and that's it. Then Control X and Y and enter. If we check it one more, you see it's hidden. Very good. Control X, and that's it. The next step, systemctl daemon reload. You need to make the password inside again. Authentication complete. So we go again, sudo reboot, and that's it. The computer will restart, and after we will just make the checking that we have everything inside. There is 1, 2, 3 commands that we will check, like the varlib docker is working properly, if it is mounted properly, and the Nvidia SMI should show us this table. So that's what we will do. I like on those small computers the fast restart and reboot. So first step, we will check the mount, and you can see it is there. Everything is working very well. This is the command like it should look. You can see exactly. That's good. It will be also displayed here. It is the NVMe N1 partition free 1 terabyte that we did last time. It's all good, and now the Nvidia SME should print out the table. Copy and paste, and voila, we have it. So we have now Nvidia GeForce 1390, same driver, same CUDA version, everything picobello. So now we will install you need to get such a link. Don't use this one. Yeah, it is just only showing which link you should get, and you need to go to the page and you should copy this link. It's active only 1 hour. If I see the time, 23 minutes, we are just good to go. We use it and we paste it here, and that's it. Voila, we are starting, and you guys need to prepare your ports. You need to remember what you have put inside. So it will come very soon. We will put one password inside, and we put inside 1111 200 and enter. And ending is 1111 299, enter. And that's it. Everything should be working now properly. Hopefully you have no issues. You see the daemon was updated, everything is going good. Those issues with the date time UTC, you don't really need to worry about. It is working with that also. Docker was tested now using default latest, very good, complete pool. Now it is testing the Nvidia Docker. It will be tested for 30 seconds. I had actually in the past big issue with that. I still didn't know what was happening, but I have discovered, like, do not trust the Gemini because they are making crazy results, and even when it is a little bit intelligent models, it's kinda crazy and it's not actually the best way to do it. That's why I have prepared actually this tutorial for you. So you see, one Nvidia was found, daemon is running, and now it is pulling default torch image. So far is everything working perfectly. And I think it is actually the last step. Here are actually 2 more commands. When you have done everything is installed, you can put it also with those commands to the config. It is very simple that you will link those ports actually, and you will link your private IP address, which is fine. But if you have actually the variable address, if you don't have your own, definitely don't use this command. Use just the ports and it should be fine. Because if you put the fast IP and your IP will change, you will not be able to log in, and so on and so on. It will be issue. So don't do this. Actually, you don't need to do that. I think also it should be doing itself. But maybe this range we should do that. We can copy. And it should be done. We still need to wait a little bit. It's taking some time. You see, I am doing this video just without a break. So you have maybe the real information about it, how much time it's actually taking. It's not so dramatical. I see now 28 minutes. I think it is very okay, and we are nearly there. After this, we will just put this command inside, and actually the computer should be already on the VAST.ai page. Okay, it's here. So it is finished. We put this command inside, and those ports are there. Definitely change your ports like is your wish. Don't send my ports, it will not help you unless you are offering the same ports from the beginning. Okay, so you see we are here, and if you wonder, we can go and check the machines. So we are here and voila, it took just few hours, and you see the 4A is here and already done 93 installations on the VAST.ai, and let me say it was like 1 hour. Yeah, that's it. So you have the everything here. I think you have enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Maybe with some kind of updates, how is it working, when it is renting, how it is look. So thank you for the watching, and bye bye.